This should be 200mm from the top and the bottom, and one right in the middle. If installing into brickwork, make sure the holes line up with the middle of the brick. You can drill through the 19mm hole to create the 10mm hole, or you can flip the post over, drill the 10mm hole from the back. Please ensure holes are in line with each other and are in the middle of the post. This is a good time to install the post cap, whether it be plastic or steel. Drill an 8mm hole using your hammer drill, approximately 80mm deep. If you like, you can mark the holes with a marker and take the post away to drill the holes. Start with the top anchor, then recheck for level. You may need to use packers if your wall's out of level. You can hide this gap with an angle.